Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with the updated version of this file. Um, as discussed, you need this file to get amended for the font colors. So we are not processing the font colors anymore. So you will be adding the numbers in these columns from starting from code 1. Let me add few numbers in here. Let me add a negative number, minus 90, 96, 98, etc. Okay, so once I'll press this button, this will do the same functionality. It will take the text from the column C. Similar thing will happen in the other columns as well. So if I'll add it, as you can see, it has added all the text available in the same row wherever the values are available. If there are any numbers available, it's adding the values in. Okay, so now what are the new changes in this file because due to this? So there will be no color coding in these cells, obviously, and the data will be copied over on the other sheet as well, obviously. So the change in this sheet is that this sheet tab name is still the same sheet one, whereas the other tab name is called controls, where I have deleted the color scheme thing, and you have to enter these 4 yellow cells inputs only one time. Either you can select the drop down if you are using the same file, exactly the same file, and inputting the data in it, it will still work, and you will be able to use the drop down. So this drop down is basically showing all the headers from the sheet one, and just to make sure that which column is the which column sorry which column is the sub feature column and which columns are the target column starting. So in the feature column we have a column called sub features, and the target column is starting with the heading code 1. So you need to select these two things in here. The feature column header is sub feature, and the target column is header start from code 1. So wherever the column is, it doesn't matter. You need to just change the cells in the yellow, change the cells with the yellow color. Please do not make changes in any of the other cells because these cells are tracking the column numbers and etc., which you have nothing to do with. Then the target column selected, and then I have added an extra control that where you can select the row number from which the data is starting. So currently we are starting the data row number 2, and in the other file the data is also starting from row number 2. So yes, you can always keep it 2, but in case if the data starts from 3, you can always change this to row number 3. Similarly, the parent tab name is sheet 1, which you can always change. If you will change, you need to enter this exactly same name in here. So most probably these two cells will not get changed. Only these two inputs will be required. And if you are not using this exactly same file and copying over to the master sheet or any other file, you might face problem with the drop down thing. So you can simply select the data, these two cells, go to data validation, and select any values. Once you select the any values, you will be just able to paste the data from the row number header here. Just copy the sub features and paste it in here, but after removing the drop down thing. So this is the setup thing. Once it's done, we are good to go. So what it will tell that the sub feature which text to be added in the values is with the heading sub features. It will track down if it is column C, D, E, or F, because I can see the other sheet. It has the sub feature column in the column E, so it will be tracked with the header name, and the target column header will also be tracked with the heading name. So I hope this is making sense to you. So now this way you will have the control to um, to modify the number of columns, add or remove the columns, because now I have seen that there are 2 extra columns. For some reason, I don't know. These 2 columns are not present in here, but it should start from here. All right. So I hope this is making sense, and just make the changes. Just give it the header name of the target column and the feature column. Once this is done, you just need to click this reference button, and it's going to take all the values. Let me do it one more time. Let me enter some random numbers and then press the button, and you will see 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, whatever the random numbers are here, those are presented in here. So that is it. I hope this is it, and this is what exactly you need. And please do consider this one as a separate thing, because I was not expecting this separate VBA to be designed. But okay, I hope that this is what you need. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.